Why is Richard, a certified PMP, recording guitar videos? Showing you a cheap guitar that I enjoy. Just to let you know, my name is Richard Kraneis, and I am a certified PMP, Project Manager Professional. 5,000 of you have subscribed to my YouTube channel since 2013. And my YouTube channel has had more than 500,000 views since 2013. Thank you so very much. So, why am I now doing guitar videos? What's going on? Basically, I am retired. So, the rigors of working every day and really the joys of using my PMP knowledge, that time is over, so I focus on learning new things, and I'm learning guitar. But this is on my mind. Project management is on my mind. So here's an old version, 4th edition. This is the one that I passed in 2013. And by the way, if ever you look at someone who is a PMP, you want to look them up on the online registry to make sure that they actually are PMPs. Because I think I've noticed that some people teach the PMP, they claim to be PMPs. Go to the online registry that PMI manages to see if someone really is a PMP. I am a PMP, and I'm grateful. Even though I'm retired and doing guitars, I miss teaching, especially difficult topics like the PMP, also Scrum, which I became pretty good at. Scrum is a project methodology. It's even included in PMP training now, and certainly Excel and some other pieces of software. But I wish to know if my 5,000 subscribers, and there are 5,000 of you, I'd like to know if you'd like me to restart doing some of my PMP training videos and also related training videos in terms of project management. I do miss teaching. I do miss it. So I'd like you to leave a PMP comment for me, if you would. That'd be really nice. So as my daughter once said, as I read off of this, old school, Dad loves learning new things. That's why behind me, in the background, you see a bunch of guitars, and you might see some amps here, and there's guitars, behind the camera. So I love learning new things, but I also love teaching people what I know. And again, for that reason, if you show any interest at all in my starting up some PMP videos or helping you get your PDUs, your Professional Development Unit credits going, if you have any interest in that, or you're new and you've never met me before, Richard Kraneis, a PMP from Chicago, Illinois, USA, leave a comment on this video, and I will consider doing some more PMP training videos. I haven't done a whole lot since 2013, and as I said, 5,000 subscribers might see this, and 500,000 people have seen my YouTube videos. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video and watching me read things off of a list. I'll be more organized in the future. But one thing I've learned in the past 5 years that is very Scrum-like is better to do something now than to wait tomorrow to do something perfectly. And so that's why I did this video, just to communicate with you. So thank you so much for being subscribers in the past. I understand if you might drop off and say you don't need this anymore, but maybe someone will see this and they'll subscribe, and more importantly, leave a comment for me. Again, my name is Richard Kraneis. I'm a certified PMP. It was wonderful to me passing the PMP from PMI, and I'd like to share that knowledge with you. Thank you so much, and have a great day.